Hey guys, Andrew with RCBS here, and today we're going to be talking about the RCBS Pro Chucker 7 Progressive Press.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS dies. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
The RCBS Pro Chucker 7 Progressive Press is an excellent reloading tool for the handloader who wants maximum production from their press. The 7-station auto-indexing capabilities allow the reloader to load up to 600 rounds per hour, while also allowing the user to use a greater variety of dies to suit their needs. Inside the packaging of the Pro Chucker 7, we'll find the product manual, a shrink-wrapped ammo bin, 7-station die plate, a large accessories box, 5 loose parts bags, and the press assembly. In the 5 loose parts bags, you will find the powder measure drain tube attachment, the lock pin assembly, the screw assembly, and the case-activated powder measure parts bag. The case-activated powder measure parts bag contains the case-activated powder measure spacer bushings, as well as the pistol, small and large rifle bushings, cylinder link, and the button head cap screws. In the ammo bin, you will find 3 small parts bags: the powder measure cylinder, discharge chute, and the box bracket. In one of the small parts bags, you will find both small and large primer plug assemblies, a primer dispenser, and a primer transfer bar return spring. In a second small parts bag, you will find a transfer bar guide, a shell plate washer, a detent ball, index ball spring, a nylock nut, a lock washer, and several various screws. The third small parts bag includes both small and large primer transfer bars, a primer transfer bar actuator, and several screws. In the large accessories box, you will find the UPM3 competition powder measure with case-activated powder measure linkage and die, the handle assembly, the safety shield and cap, spent primer tube, and 4 primer tubes. Now that you've seen all of the parts that come in your box, in the next video, we'll show you how each of these parts is used to assemble your brand new Pro Chucker 7 Progressive Press. If you've got any comments, leave them below. For everything else, come and visit us over at rcbs.com.